It's Bill the Lazy Guy, along with Pepper the Camping Dog, and actually I'm under my pop-up and showing you where and how to grease the cable guides, I guess it's called. Alright, so under my pop-up, that white thing is the freshwater tank, which I'm busy sanitizing right now, and you'll see right there is grease zerk. It's a word. And this and these tubes is the cable guide. So you get ye old grease gun, one-handed here, folks. Plug it into the zerk, and you're gonna pump this until actually you see the fresh grease come out up here. Oh, isn't that lovely? We're on the back side of the pop-up now. There's the white tank, and there is the zerk. We have the lift mechanism tubes, and also a cable pulley. That's a good angle for me. I'm not gonna lie to you folks, it felt like it took about 150,000 pumps in order to get that done. But those of us with pop-ups don't want the cable snapping. It's vital that we do this every couple of years.